Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you had a great day. We're gonna react to, as you can see on the title, we will react to VAV, SF9 and ONF members performed Hype Boy and Thrilla and a lot of performance in the military services. This video is going viral in the TikTok, YouTube, all of social media. So all of social media actually. We will react to this performance. Okay, if you guys ready, let's go. I don't like selecting members in the military uniforms, but I want a celeb. I'm gonna catch him a celeb. I'm a sexy, but I'm a sexy, but I'm a sexy. Oh my god, they're all good, looking good in the military uniforms. Okay, let's go. Oh, EXO. Oh. You call me once. Oh, like they're all good dancers. Oh, ONF member in the left one. I cannot choose members. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. And who is the right one? There, he's so good. And Hype Boy, guys. In the right one, one of member. In the middle one too. Just wanna remember for right now. I just wanna feel right. Tonight, you can make a love boy. Oh, I did it wrong. Hot boy, 나는 원해. Hot boy, 내게 전해. They're so good. Sky, you know what happened, boy. They're so cute. You know what happened, boy. They were so good. Okay, I think I'm gonna watch it again because I love it and I really wanna know who's the members. Like, I cannot choose, but I wanna celeb. Guys, you can recommend these idols in the comments, like, so I can know them actually. Number 70, tell you got it, you can call me monster. And the left one, ONF member, but I cannot choose right one. Is SF9 member? I don't know. I'm really couldn't choose it. You call me monster. I couldn't choose it, but they're so cute. as you know, guys, idols can go to military services for 2 years in the Korea. They have to do it. Like, as you know, BTS have a lot of news for military services because Korea industry don't wanna go to BTS military services like something. And this is my first time. This is my favorite like performance in the video. So let's go. They're coming. They're looking so good. Hand me up the RTG. I just wanna run my phone right now. I just wanna hear it right. Tonight, I want you up, boy. Tonight, can make you up, boy. Okay, first one back, and the second one. Hot boy, like I want it. Hot boy, like the Johnny. And then I could recognize in the middle one idol. Who is this? You know I'm a happy boy in my eye. In the sky. You know I'm a happy boy. That was so cute. That was literally so cute, guys. Like, I want the all performance in the full video. So good. If you guys like it, you can subscribe and write a comment and like. I really wait to your comments in the comments. Like, I really love this. Who was your favorite idol in the performance? And what was your favorite performance in the video? You can really recommend in the comments. So I wanna know really who's those idols. I could choose some of them, but there's a lot to I don't know anything about the idols. So you can really recommend in the comments, guys. Who are they? I really how can I say that? Follow SF9 and the ONF before, but I couldn't choose who is it. But I really enjoy to watch videos. So see you next time, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, you can subscribe me, write a comment, and like, of course. Love you so much. See you next time, guys. Love you so much.